Hi, and welcome. Thank you for checking out my product review. When you pick up this product from the link down below, the first link in the description, you instantly qualify to receive my 4 bonuses delivered automatically. Bonus number 1 is a tool that will turn text into videos. This new AI tool is going to change everything you know about videos. Hurry and discover the secrets to generating substantial income by leveraging the power of text-to-video conversation using the Sora AI model. I give you the tool where you just enter your API key and also the full training. Bonus number 2 is I'll give you access to my top-selling course on how to make money from Instagram influencers. This unique training shows you how to make $500 to $1,000 from influencers just by copying and pasting exactly what I tell you. I show you how to find influencers and also give you a product to offer them that they cannot live without. The only limit to this is you and your effort. Bonus number 3 is you will gain access to my newest course on how to create and sell custom GPTs to businesses. It will take you only 15 to 20 minutes to create these GPTs using my steps. Plus, I give you access to a tool that will help you easily find these small businesses that are starving for these and willing to pay you top dollar. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you a list of the top selling high ticket affiliate programs that you can start marketing immediately and make up to $1,000 per sale. We have several more top secret bonuses that are easily worth over $997 you'll find instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. So now that that's all out of the way, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the first link in the description. Let's go, guys, and let's check out what this product is all about.
Introducing the Social Media Mastery Kit, your passport to conquering the digital realm. Once upon a time, in a world where social media reigns supreme, there lived a passionate entrepreneur who dreamed of harnessing the power of Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to elevate their business to new heights. But alas, they were lost in the vast wilderness of algorithms and hashtags, unsure of where to begin. Then, like a beacon of hope, the Social Media Mastery Kit appeared on the horizon. A collection of 4 invaluable books and exclusive video trainings, it promised to be the ultimate guide for anyone looking to navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media marketing. With the turn of each page, our intrepid entrepreneur discovered secrets that unlocked the potential of each platform. From crafting compelling content to decoding the mysteries of analytics, the kit provided essential, straightforward, and friendly guidance every step of the way. Armed with newfound knowledge, our hero embarked on a journey of digital discovery. They connected with audiences on Facebook, danced their way to success on TikTok, curated stunning visuals on Instagram, and captured the attention of the masses on YouTube. As word of their triumph spread, others flocked to join the ranks of social media mavens, eager to wield the power of the platforms for their own businesses. And thus, the Social Media Mastery Kit became not just a tool, but a beacon of empowerment for all who dared to dream big in the digital age. So, dear reader, if you too yearn to unlock the secrets of social media success and embark on your own digital adventure, look no further than the Social Media Mastery Kit. Your journey starts here.